Welcome to Stack Smarter. We test the AI tools so you only pay for the good ones. Students today juggle endless papers, lecture slides, and tight deadlines, and the wrong AI can waste hours instead of saving them. In this head-to-head, we pit 3 leading tools against real academic workflows: research that actually cites sources, note systems that stay organized across semesters, and writing that passes professor scrutiny. These picks are affiliate supported, so you see honest results, not sponsored fluff. We timed each tool on the same 10-page sociology paper, tracked citation accuracy, export friction, and daily usage friction. By the end, you will know exactly which stack fits your major and budget without the hype. Perplexity is an AI search engine built for accurate, cited answers rather than creative fluff. It is best for undergrads and grad students who need fast literature reviews and source-backed facts without sifting through SEO spam. Key features include real-time web search with numbered citations, collections that group papers by topic, and a pro mode that pulls from academic databases. One honest weakness is that its writing tools stay basic, forcing you to copy answers into another app for polishing. Pricing starts at $0 for limited daily queries and $20 monthly for unlimited prose searches plus file uploads. Skip it if your main pain is drafting long essays rather than finding reliable sources fast. Notion combines note-taking, databases, and wikis into one flexible workspace that many students already use for class planning. It shines for anyone building a personal knowledge base that lasts all 4 years of college. Standout features are AI summarization of uploaded PDFs, database templates for tracking assignments by due date and grade, and real-time collaboration for group projects. Its honest weakness remains a steep learning curve. New users often spend days just setting up pages instead of studying. The free plan covers most individuals, while the paid plan costs $8 per month for unlimited AI blocks and version history. Skip it if you want plug-and-play writing help without building your own system first. ChatGPT from OpenAI handles research synthesis, outline generation, and full draft writing in one conversational interface that adapts to your tone. It is best for upperclassmen and grad students who need to turn scattered notes into coherent arguments quickly. Core features include custom GPTs that remember your citation style, advanced voice mode for thinking through ideas out loud, and file analysis that pulls key stats from research PDFs. One honest weakness is occasional hallucinated references that still require double-checking against real journals. Access is free with GPT for limits or $20 monthly for Plus with higher usage and priority access. Skip it if you need guaranteed academic citations without extra verification steps. We ran identical queries on climate policy across all 3 tools and measured time to usable notes. Perplexity delivered 10 cited sources in 90 seconds, but left synthesis to the user. Notion AI summarized one PDF, while yet struggled when asked to cross-reference multiple studies. ChatGPT produced a full literature matrix fastest, yet invented 2 non-existent reports that needed correction. The test shows ChatGPT wins when speed matters more than perfect sourcing on day 1. We imported a full semester of lecture slides and tracked retrieval time after 2 weeks. Notion kept everything searchable with custom properties, but required heavy upfront tagging. Perplexity collections stayed tidy, yet lacked folder nesting for complex majors. ChatGPT remembered prior chats, but forced manual copy-paste into a permanent system. Notion still leads for long-term students who treat notes like a second brain. 3 professors graded blind drafts produced by each tool on the same prompt. ChatGPT scored highest for flow and argument structure, while Perplexity stayed too list-like. Notion AI added decent transitions, but repeated phrases across paragraphs. All three needed human editing for academic voice, yet ChatGPT required the least total revision time. ChatGPT takes the win for most students who need one tool to handle research synthesis, note expansion, and actual writing in a single flow. Pair it with free Perplexity for citations and a lightweight Notion setup only if you love databases. The other tools fill specific gaps, but ChatGPT delivers the broadest time savings across an entire semester. Subscribe to Stack Smarter for more no-hype tests. The advance of technology is based on making it fit, and so you don't really even notice it. Bill Gates.